Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. Pardon me, another unboxing. This one's from Denmark. From a fella named Peter Larsen, who was, pardon me, I got the hiccups for some reason, on the Gillette Buy, Swap and Trade site. And he had a razor I've been eyeing off for a while. Hard to find in good condition, to be honest with you. Pardon me. Honest with you. So this one isn't too bad. And here we go. So it's a Gillette. And this has been wrapped up to protect it. Oh, that's, pardon me, oh man, excuse the hiccups. That's in really nice condition. Beautiful condition. Much nicer than I thought it was going to be. So look inside the case. So it's usually inside here where the case lets itself down. But not this time around. Just a stray Gillette pin. Put that back in there. So an Aristocrat number 21. So I'm happy with that. I'm more than happy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Catch you soon. Ciao.